Hello my bunnies, welcome back. So today we're making a DIY chocolate bunny recipe. So this recipe is for those of you who can't get your hands on chocolate rabbits, especially this year because everybody's stuck at home. I'm going to show you how to make your own chocolate bunnies as long as you have a rabbit mold. Amazon Prime came in very handy for me, so I'll link my mold down below for you, as well as any kind of chocolate you like. So let's get started. So first you want to place some chocolate in a microwave safe bowl. You want to use any kind of good quality chocolate. Basically, as delicious as the chocolate is, that is how delicious your rabbit will be. Microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring at each interval until it is fully melted. Then pour the chocolate into a 3D bunny mold. So I got mine off of Amazon only like a week or so ago, so I'll link mine down below if you want to pick it up. Be sure to smooth the chocolate and make sure that the surface of the chocolate is flat. This is super important to do. And to help, you can tap it on your work surface just a couple times, and this will also help remove some air bubbles and keep the surface nice and flat. Then place the mold in the fridge or the freezer until the chocolate has fully set. Then unmold just one side of the rabbit. Spread some more melted chocolate onto the rabbit that is still in the mold. And so because the chocolate is cold from being in the fridge or in the freezer, it's going to set the chocolate that you're spreading on right now very quickly. So you want to make sure that as soon as you spread it onto the bunny, you want to place the other bunny that you have unmolded directly on top right away. Then pop the mold back into your fridge or your freezer for about 10 or 20 minutes or until that chocolate in the center is set. Then just unmold your bunny and you are done. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. I also have a ton of other DIY versions like Kinder eggs and Cadbury cream eggs. So if you would like to see those, I will have them linked in a playlist up here. And yeah, also on Thursday, I have a really fun video / recipe coming for you guys. It was a request from one of you. It is Easter eggs for dogs plus a little doggy Easter egg hunt because we all deserve some happy doggies during this time. So we're making the dog some Easter eggs and then I'm gonna hide it around my condo or hide them around my condo and film my dogs like sniffing them out and eating them. I think it's gonna be like the cutest thing in the world. So definitely make sure you don't miss out. If you would like to see even more doggies, I uploaded a video on Monday of literally an hour of just the dogs just doing cute stuff. So if you want to escape for an hour, that is the video for you. So I'll also have that linked in the cards. But yeah, anyways, I love you guys so much and I will see you guys on Thursday. Bye.